Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic earphones with the model number RP-BTS35 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set these earphones up as a new set of earphones and delete all of the previous pairing history and get them back to the settings from when they came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite easily. All we need to do is we're going to come in and make sure we have sufficient charge on these before we try to do this. We're just going to press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the earphones go into their Bluetooth connect mode, their Bluetooth searching mode. Once that happens, we're just going to come in and press the plus and the minus simultaneously for at least 6 seconds while it's in that Bluetooth search mode. And you'll know that it's worked when the LED will blink blue quickly. We'll do a fast blink in blue, indicating that the reset has been completed. Go ahead on your phone and delete the device off of your phone or whatever devices you've had it connected to before, and then you can go ahead and connect these earphones as a new set of earphones.